Hi friends, welcome to my channel How to Teach Kids at Home. Today I am taking a very interesting topic, percentage word problems. All my videos are applicable for all the boards, CBSE, NCERT, ICSE and state boards. So in my previous video of percentage, we have seen the conversion of percentage into fraction, fraction into percentage, percentage into decimal, decimal into percentage, percentage into ratio and ratio into percentage. So if you want to learn the conversions, you can watch percentage part 1 video. And in this video, I will cover all the word problems on percentage. So let's begin the video. Type of questions apart from percentage conversions. Question number 1. Find the percentage of number. 20% of rupees 250. So in this question, we are saying two things. First, we have to remove the percentage sign and second is the off. So whenever the in question off is given, so we have to replace off with multiplication. So this we have already studied in my previous video of BODMAS and multiplication. So 20% of 250, first we'll remove the percentage sign. So it will be, to remove the percentage sign, we have to divide it by 100 and off by multiplication. 250. Now let's simplify it. It's 1 and this is 5. Now 5 ones are and 5 fives are 25. So the answer is here 50. So 20% of rupees 250 is rupees 50. Let's take one more example. 3 by 2% of 1600 kilometer. Now here the number, instead of number we have fractions. 2 by third percentage of 1600. The process is same. First we'll remove the percentage sign and the off. So it will be 3 by 2. To remove the percentage sign we have to divide it by 100. Off is replaced by multiplication 1600. So let's simplify it. 2 by 3 multiply by 1600 and here in denominator 2 multiply by 100. 2 ones are 2 eights are 16, 8 threes are 24. So 2 by 3% of 1600 kilometers is 24 kilometer. So by this way we can simplify the question of percentage and we can find the percentage of the number. Let's take one more example. Question number 2. Find the number whose 4% is 92. Let the number be x. As we don't know the number and we have to find that number only whose 4% is 92. So let the number be assumed as x. So 4% of x is 92. So this is the expression and now we'll simplify it. 4, first we'll remove the percentage sign. So it will be divided by 100 and to remove off we'll put the multiplication. Multiply by x is equal to 92. So x will be 92 multiplied by 100 divided by 4. As 100 is in denominator, so after equal to it will go in multiplication and 4 is in multiplication of x. To find the x, it will go in the denominator. So this is the expression. Now 4 ones are 4 2s are 8, 1, 4 3s are 12. So x is 2300. So the number is x here, whose 4% is 92. Question number 3. If 9 is 45% of a number, find the number. So if we don't know the number, we'll assume it as x. Let the number be x. So 45% of x is equal to 9. If 9 is 45% of a number, 45% of x number is equal to 9. Now simplifying this expression, 45, remove the percentage sign and off. To remove the percentage sign, we'll divide it by 100, and to remove off, we'll put the multiplication sign, and then x is equals to 9. So let's simplify it. X will be 9 multiplied by 100 divided by 45. 9 ones are 9 fives are 45, 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, and 0. So x is 20. So what is the number? So number is equal to 20. Question number 4. How much percentage one quantity is of another? How much percentage of A is B? What percentage of 25 kg is 6.5? In earlier questions, we have seen we have to find the number, and now in this question the number is already given and we have to find what is the percentage here. So what percentage of 25 is 6.5 kg? Let the percentage be x. So x percent of 25 kg is equal to 6.5. Now we'll simplify it. We'll remove the percentage and the off sign. So to remove percentage sign, we'll divide it by 100, and to remove off, we'll put multiplication sign of 25 is equal to 6.5. Now here x is the variable. So to find x, we'll take everything on the right hand side. 6.5 multiplied by 100 divided by 25. Now let's simplify it. 25 ones are 25 fours are. Now 6.5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 26. So x is equal to 26. And what is x? X is the percentage. So what percentage of 25 is 6.5? So it is 26%. 26% of 25 kg is 6.5. And 26% is our answer. Let's take one more question. What percent of 2 days is 12 hours? So let assume the percent be x. Let the percent be x. So x percent of 2 days is equal to 12 hours. Now here it is 2 days and here it is 12 hours. So we have to bring it to the common unit. So as we all know, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 2 days will be 2 into 24 hours. 2 into 24, 48 hours. So x percent of, instead of 2 days, now we will write 48 hours. X percent of 48 hours is equal to 12 hours. Now the units are same here. Here also are and here also hours. Now we'll simplify, remove the percentage sign and remove the off. X divided by 100 multiplied by 48 is equal to 12. Now take all the constant to the right hand side. 12 multiplied by 100 divided by 48. 12 ones are 12, 12 fours are 48. And we'll simplify it further. 4 ones are 4, 4 2, and here it is 5, 25. So x is equal to 25. So what percent of 2 days is 12 hours? 25% is our answer. So 25% of 2 days is 12 hours. So this is how we'll simplify it. If we have to find the percent, we'll assume it as x, and then x percent of 2 days is equal to 12 hours. First we have made this unit same, days and hours, and then the further simplification. Let's take one more question. What percent is equal to 3 by 5? Let the percent be x. Let the percent be x. So x percent is equal to 3 by 5. Here we'll remove the percentage sign. So x by 100 is equal to 3 by 5. So x will be 3 multiplied by 100 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 20. 3 twos are 6. X is equal to 60. So what percent is equal to 3 by 5? So 3 by 5 is equivalent to 60%. Question number 7. Find 25% more than 300. In this question, first we will find the 25% of 300, then we will find the 25% more than 300. So the first step is 25% of 300 we have to find, and then second we will find the 25% more than 300. So 25% of 300 is how much? So 25, remove the percentage and the off sign, 25 divided by 100 multiply by 300. So this comes to 25 ones are 25 fours are. 300 divided by 4, it comes to 75. So 25% of 300 rupees. 25% of 300 rupees is 75 rupees. So first we have found out what is 25% of 300 rupees. This is 75. Now we have to find 25% more than 300 rupees. So what is 25% here? It comes to 75. So 75 more than plus 300 is how much? So it comes to 375 rupees. So our final answer is 375 rupees. 25% more than 300 rupees is equal to rupees 375. So in this question we have simplified in two steps. First we have found what is 25% of 300, and then 25% more than 300. Whatever the answer will come, that percentage 25% of 300, that we will add it, because in this question it is asked more than. If it is asked less than, then we have to subtract 300 minus 75. But here it is more than, so 75 plus 300, it comes to 375 rupees. Let's take question number 8. Find 10% less than 450 liters. So here also we will simplify in two steps. In first step we will find the 10% of 450 liters. So 10% of 450 liters will be, remove percentage and the off sign, 10 divided by 100 multiply by 450. It comes to 40 5 liters. Now step number 2, 10% less than 450 liters. So for less than we have to subtract it. So what is 10% we got? 45 liters. So 450 minus 45. It comes to 405 liters. So 10% less than 450 liters is 405 liters. In the earlier question, it was more than, so we have added the percentage answer, and here in this question it is less than, so we have to subtract it. Now let's see the word problems on increase and decrease in percentage. What is increase in percentage? The increase in percentage is equal to the increase amount divided by the original value multiplied by 100 in full percentage sign, and the decrease in percent will be the decrease in value divided by the original value multiplied by 100 and whole percentage sign. So whenever the questions are asked on the increase percentage or decrease percentage, we have to use these formulas for increase and the decrease in percentage. Now let's see the questions based on increase and decrease of percentage. The size of the wheat sack which holds 10 kg of wheat is now increased so that it can hold 15 kg. What is the percentage increase in size? So, what's the increase in size? First, we'll see the size of the wheat sack which holds the 10 kg. So, what was the original value here? Original value was 10 kg and which is now increased so that it can hold 15 kg. And what is the new value here? 15 kg. This is the original value and the new value. So what is the increase here happened? Increase is new value minus original value. So what is the new value here? 15 minus original value is 10 kg. So 15 minus 10 is 5 kg. So this is the increase. Now we have to find the percentage increase. So for the percentage increase, we'll put the formula percentage increase is equal to increase divided by the original value multiplied by 100 into percentage. And what is the increase value? That is new value minus original. It comes to 5 kg. And what is the original value? 10 multiplied by 100 into full percentage sign. Here it comes to 50%. So what is the percentage increase in size? So percentage increase in size is 50%. So in this kind of question, the original value is given and the increased value is given. So by subtracting the new value minus original value, we can find the increase, and then to find the percentage increase, we will put the formula percentage increase is equal to increase upon divided by original value into 100. So by putting the values, we come to know the increase in size is 50%. Let's take one more question. Similarly, the question will be asked on percentage decrease. For percentage decrease also, we can find the decrease, that will be the new value minus original value, and for the decrease percentage it will be decrease divided by original value into 100. By this way we can find the percentage decrease. Now let's take question number 10. Out of 15 mangoes, 20% were eaten and 15% of the remaining are rotten. Find the number of rotten mangoes. Suppose we have this much quantity of mangoes, and out of this much quantity the 20%, this is the 20% here which was eaten, and this is the portion of remaining, and out of the remaining 15% are rotten. So we have to find the rotten one. So first, to find the rotten percentage, we have to find first how many are rotten here. So out of 15 mangoes, what is the total number of mangoes? Total quantity of mangoes is equal to 50. Now next information provided is 20% were eaten. So quantity of mangoes eaten is equal to 20%. So what is 20%? How much is 20%? So 20% of 50. First we'll find out this one, because the total quantity is mentioned 50 and 20% of the total were eaten. So first we'll find the how many mangoes are eaten. 20% of 50 is how much? 20 divided by 100 multiplied by 50. 5 2s are 10. So the number of mangoes eaten is how much? 10. So total were how much? 50 and 10 were eaten. So this number we come to know as 10. So how much is the remaining? So remaining mangoes are how much? Remaining mangoes are total minus eaten. So how much is total? 50, and how many mangoes are eaten? 10. So it comes to 40. So the number of mangoes remaining are here 40. Now 15% of the remaining are rotten. So percentage of rotten is how much? 15%. So 15% of 40 are rotten. Now we will find out this. 15 divided by 100 multiply by 40. So this will come to 2 by, this is 3, 2, comes to 6 mangoes. So question is, find the number of rotten mangoes. So the number of rotten mangoes are 6. So the 15% of the remaining were rotten, which comes to 6 here. So what we have done, first it was given that the total number of mangoes were 50, and the out of 50 20% were eaten. So 20% of 50, it comes to 10. That means the 10 mangoes were eaten. So how many are remaining? Total minus eaten is equal to 40 are the remainings, and out of the remaining 15% are rotten. So 15% of the remaining, that is 40, are rotten. So 15% of 40 comes to 6. So the number of mangoes which are rotten are 6. So this is the question on percentage. So I hope all the questions are clear to you. I have tried to cover all the different types of percentage word problems. First, we have seen the find the percentage of number. Second, find the numbers whose percentage is this much number given. Then how much percentage of one quantity is of another. Then the word problems on increase and the decrease in percentage. So I hope you like my video. So if you like my video, subscribe to my channel, How to Teach Kids at Home. Thanks for watching.